Hey guys, this is Ryan with BizNaz 101. In today's video, we will show you how to center collection title in Shopify. First, to get started, select Online Store from the dashboard on the left. Then choose the Themes tab just below. Next, open the link to our full guide below in the description of this video. Now head back to your Shopify store. Then find the current theme for your store at the top. Then click the Customize button on the right. This will bring you to your store's theme editor. Next, navigate to the collection you would like to edit. Then, find and click the section containing the title you want to center on the page. For our example, we will choose this title. Next, we will click the section and scroll down to Custom CSS in the settings from the left dashboard. This is where we will add our code to center the title text. Next, return to our full guide and copy the provided code, like so. Now we will go back to our store's theme editor and paste the code into the section's custom CSS settings. Your collection title should now be centered on the page. When you are happy with the way it looks, click Save at the top of the page. For the final step, we will preview the changes in your Shopify store. As you can see, we have successfully centered the collection title in our Shopify store. That's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget you can find the full guide below in the description or contact us at BizNaz101 for help with your store. Thank you for subscribing.